Sleep.
Let's deep dive into something we all have been waiting for. Nazo players, welcome to the 5G era. Let's take a look at the 5G version of the Nazo 30, the Nazo 30 5G. The construction of global 5G networks has entered a new phase of development. Many countries have already started popularizing 5G. So, you must be wondering, what exactly can 5G network bring to Nazo players? Let me reveal one by one. Firstly, the increase in network speed. After our testing of Nazo 30 5G, the peak download speed of 5G reached up to 2.77 Gbps, while the peak download speeds of the 4G network is only 390 Mbps. As you can see, the 5G network speed is 700% more than 4G. With such blazing fast speeds, you can download a large game in just 10 seconds, and in-game updates can be completed within seconds. Secondly, reduction in network latency. In our tests, in a 5G network environment, the network latency of a Nazo 30 5G game is only 6 to 8 milliseconds, while the network latency of a 4G network is up to 30 milliseconds. So in games where you attack each other simultaneously, the attack will be released first in a 5G network, and the game may just be won in a matter of few milliseconds. Thirdly, the promise of possibilities. Looking back, the 4G network flourished in many new industries, such as live streaming, short video streaming, etc. The potential for 5G network multiplies, bringing untapped and exciting newer possibilities. Nazo 30 5G is equipped with Realme's latest 5G technology, 5G dual SIM dual standby and NSA/SA network support, and smart 5G power savings. Let's focus on smart 5G power saving. 5G networks require heavy battery usage for practical applications. However, this technology can solve the battery life problem. It intelligently senses the signal environment and automatically switches between 4G and 5G networks. Smart 5G power saving further reduces power consumption by an additional 30% when you compare it to smartphones that are not equipped with this technology. This powerful 5G network comes from a new generation of advanced 5G chipsets, the Dimensity 700 5G processors. The 7nm processor is a signature hallmark of a next-gen processor. The Dimensity 700 is built on an advanced 7nm process. Comparing 4G and 5G processors in the same price segments, the cutting-edge 7nm technology brings many benefits. It has excellent power efficiency. Compared to the 8nm process, the power efficiency is increased by a remarkable 28%. And compared to the 12nm process, the improvements are nothing short of spectacular. The 8-core CPU is also worth noticing. It combines two highly capable ARM Cortex-A76 cores in its octa-core CPU with up to 2.2 GHz clock speed. Now, let's look at our competitors. And you will find that the highest frequency of a 4G processor is 2.05 GHz. Compared to the last generation, the clock speed has been increased by 10%. The Dimensity 700 comes with a powerful ARM Mali G57 GPU with a clock speed of 950 MHz. With a 90 Hz refresh rate display, the visual experience here is stunning. Let me quickly put things in perspective when it comes to the competition. Compared to the 4G processor, Dimensity 700 GPU clock speed is 6% higher. Compared to the Snapdragon 732, Dimensity 700 GPU clock speed is 17% higher. And finally, compared to the last gen GPU, the Dimensity 700 clock speed is 12% higher. Safe to say, this is the best GPU in the segment. With the exceptional power of the next gen 5G processor, I am sure you guys are going to love it. And now, let's take a look at the design. The Nazo 30 5G shares the same design concept as the Nazo 30 4G. It sports the champion design and features the same classic track textures for a dynamic presentation of thrilling speed. Even though 5G phones have more antennas than 4G phones and require high-capacity batteries to ensure longevity, Nazo 30 5G only weighs 185 grams with an 8.5mm build. Compared to our first 5G phone, we have reduced the thickness of Nazo 30 5G by more than 5%, from almost 9mm to 8.5mm. And the weight of the phone has also gone down from 207 grams to 185 grams. So with such a lightweight and thin body, you will feel extremely comfortable even during long and intense gaming sessions. To ensure a perfectly smooth gaming experience, the Narzo 30 5G adopts the 90Hz ultra smooth display with a 180Hz touch sampling rate. The Narzo 30 5G features a massive 5000 mAh battery and an 18-watt quick charge to reduce charging time. After our testing, Narzo 30 5G can stand by for 655 hours. Further, you can stream music for 114 hours, stream video for 16 hours, or talk for 42 hours. Coming to RAM technology, the Narzo 30 5G has a unique dynamic RAM expansion technology that allows Narzo players to enjoy up to 11 GB experience with 6 GB hardware by converting ROM to RAM. So whether it's running multiple applications or switching in the background, the experience is much smoother. It also comes equipped with a highly useful 3-card slot, delivering up to 1 TB external memory and allowing Narzo players to store more than 262,000 photos or more than 209,000 songs or 4,190 plus TV series. Coming to the camera aspect, the camera aspects of the Narzo 30 5G and Narzo 30 are excellent and share the same hardware configuration: 48 megapixel primary camera plus a black and white portrait lens and a 4 cm ultra macro lens. This provides diverse shooting capabilities for Narzo players. So let's take a look at the sample photos taken by photographers with the Narzo 30 5G. The 48 megapixel high pixel camera helps capture crystal clear images. The Super Nightscape mode is for shooting excellent photos at night time. There are up to 5 night filters for fun and exciting shots, and you can click away premium night imageries. Of course, the Narzo 30 5G is also compatible with Realme's stringent quality standards and adheres to the same top-notch quality as all of our products. I hope you enjoyed the introduction to our brand new 5G star, the excellent Narzo 30 5G. Let's summarize it. With Narzo 30 5G, users can unlock the advanced 5G network, getting a speed that is 700% faster than traditional 4G network speeds. It boasts the new generation Dimensity 700 5G processor with advanced 7nm process and CPU and GPU enhancements all around. The Narzo 30 5G comes with an exquisite champion design, 8.5mm thin and 185 grams lightweight. It supports trend-setting dynamic RAM expansion technology. Users with 6 GB RAM can experience up to 8 GB. And to top it all, there are added advantages of 90Hz ultra smooth display, 5000 mAh large battery, 48 megapixel camera tech, bringing a comprehensive, refreshed and smooth playing experience to all Narzo players.